Thanks for tuning into my video today. Today I'm going to show you how to add a threaded suppressor barrel to your Glock. Just first of all, make sure it's empty. See, nothing's in it. Okay, and discharge it one time like that. I'm going to hold the slide and take it off. Once you take that off, you're going to flip it over. You're going to take out your recoil spring. You're going to take out your barrel. You're going to get your threaded barrel. This is a threaded barrel. Okay. Threaded barrel out. Put it in there. And I happen to have a stainless steel titanium nitride recoil spring, and I have a buffer pad, and I'm going to put those in there too. You don't have to use those components, but you can if you want. Okay, get it in there. It's pretty much together now. Put your thread protector back on. And now we have the threaded barrel on. That's how it would look. Okay. And thanks for tuning into my video. I appreciate your time.